Are you seeking direction in an uncertain world? Fortune reading may hold the answers you need. This ancient practice connects you with invaluable insights about your life, relationships, and career. Fortune reading combines intuition and spirituality, offering a deeper understanding of your personal journey. Imagine tapping into tools like tarot, astrology, and numerology to navigate life's complex challenges. This guide explores the benefits and methods of fortune reading, helping you find clarity in your life. What is fortune reading? It seeks insights into the future, uncovering hidden truths that guide you through uncertainty. Techniques like tarot drawing cards, astrology examining celestial positions, and numerology analyzing significant numbers reveal your life's purpose. The question is fortune reading legitimate? Many individuals report profound personal growth from this practice. When choosing a reputable program, research testimonials and experiences to ensure genuine value. Fortune reading can guide you daily, help clarify relationship dynamics, and illuminate your career path. It even offers insights into health, financial decisions, and emotional healing. Whether it's making small choices or navigating major life transitions, fortune reading empowers you and provides clarity. Curious about how fortune reading works? Start by setting your intention. Choose a method, prepare your tools, and clear your mind. Conduct your reading and interpret the messages. Reflect on these insights and take action toward your goals. And what about the science behind it? Psychological theories like the Barnum effect explain why people resonate with vague predictions. Fortune reading promotes self-reflection, leading to emotional and psychological benefits. So, what's in a fortune reading program? Expect personalized readings, step-by-step guidance, expert insights, a variety of techniques, and self-paced learning. If you're ready to explore the mysteries of your life, fortune reading could be the key. Embrace this empowering tool for personal growth, self-discovery, and clarity. Click the link to start your journey today.